recording me. And you look fine. No. Someone's looking at baby! No. I want to always record. You have to record both of us. No. You're going to keep it there? Yep. You promise? I am. I believe you. What time it is? Let's go say hi. Let's go say hi. Because it's 4:20. That's what people do at 4:20 apparently. What are you doing? My stomach still hurts. A little bit. It's not really that it hurts, it just feels funny. Is that funny? Is that funny? I felt like Chinese person.